Java is not recognized as an internal external command. Okay, which means it is not installed. Java is not there in this machine. Okay, yes. So for that, we need to download. So here, I want to tell you that. So there is a Java. There are two versions we have, Java and OpenJDK. Okay, OpenJDK. Okay, so we have a Java from Oracle. Okay, so the Oracle has some commercial and open source. So we can either we can use open source one or OpenJDK one or Java. Okay, so let's install the OpenJDK for our machine. Okay, can you OpenJDK version? Yeah, can you close this one? One second, yeah. Yeah, we can install MSI. Yeah, please bear with this kind of installation, the very first session, no problem. Okay, so but later point of time it will be not like that. Okay, so because anything you require to install, what I will do is I will record and I will publish in my YouTube channel. Before the session, you have to complete it. Okay, so that we can save our time. Okay, so let me open. So anything is in integration. So that I will gonna record and I will publish. So make sure you have to complete before the session. But this is a critical point. So because most of the members are like does not have Java experience, right? So it required to set up.
So Nagesh, it is asking, do you want to allow this app to make the changes to your device?
Yes, make it. Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, it is open source. No, nothing to worry about this. Yeah, go to C drive. It will be there. There is folder called Java. This PC or C drive. Yeah, program files. Go to program files above and type Java. It is there. Let me or within the C drive maybe. Where it is installed. So here is there. Yeah, Open Logic. So it was created like this. We're able to see this kind of thing. Open Logic, but it is not
yes,
required.
yes, can.
Yeah. So this is the one. Okay, let me check this one. So what we need to do is we need to set up a class path. But really it works or not. Yeah, let me check. Copy. You can take the copy of this particular root folder of where the Java SDK 22 is there. Okay. So better we can do one thing. So what we can do is we can bring out this SDK version outside. So cut this folder and paste it into like here. Allowing or not? Yeah. And I'm renaming this to like a Java JDK 9. So what I have done is I cut that inside the folder. Okay. So open logic, right? I cut the folder and I kept outside. Okay. So now it is I renamed to like hotspot. I renamed to Java only. Okay. Can you mute yourself? Somebody mic is on, so please could you mute it? Yeah. So now we can take this part. Okay. So what we need to do is once we have a Java, so we need to take we need to place the class path. Okay, where the Java is installed. So to do that, so we can go to our my PC. So can you take to your my PC folder? Yeah. So here in control panel also you can type environment variables. So just type that edit env. So in your search box, Windows search box, you can type edit env. So edit in environment variable for your accounts. Okay. So here, so it is a very important point here. We need to set up where the Java is installed. So then only that a computer will understand. Okay. So there are two kind of thing here. Let me highlight here and I'll explain the. Here also there are key points. So we need to look into that. So there are two sections. One is like a user variable section. So which is your computer name, and there is a system variable. Okay, system variable section. So this is kind of our own machine site. So we can have a edit permissions. Okay, so this system variable right now in our personal laptop we have a ability to edit, but in real time this section is non-editable. So we need to take a call with our IT guys, or we need to raise a request to get update these sections. We need to take a permission in real time. Okay. So most of the companies, this particular system variable may not give the permission to edit. Okay. To do that, we need to take a permission. So admin rights temporarily admin rights also we can take it, and we can add the system variables. Okay. So and we can also add a user variable as a system variable. So except one, I'll explain what is that. Okay. So let me clear this one. And coming to here in the system variable, so we need to create a kind of some variable. Okay. So let me click on here. You see, this is a new variable creation. Okay. New variable creation. One is a variable name and variable value. So what is this? This means, right? So we install Java SDK in this location. Okay. So what is a Java? So Java has some variable name we need to provide. That is a Java. Okay. The annotation given by the Java developers or Java who develops the Java, Java hyphen home. So that we need to provide the variable name and this location path, right? This path will be placed here. Then that whenever you do command prompt run times, then Java will be recognized. Okay. So even though if you install Java machine, Java version is there, but this kind of activity, when you are running with the script in a Maven runtime, command prompt, you want to run your script by using command prompt. So this setup is required. Okay. So let me do that. Let me clear this one. And so whoever having those Java versions, please check this variable also is required. So if it is not there, please let me know. Or if it is not there, please add that. Okay, how we are adding. So click here. Okay. So and also one more thing I want to tell you here, like Swapna having a old version of Windows operating system. So that is the case. The screen will be like this. But whoever like 11 plus, right? The screen would be a little different. Okay. So, but the thing is, like the objective of adding a variable name and key set. Okay. Yeah, let's add a Java underscore home. So I'm telling that my variable name is Java underscore home, and my Java is existing on which. Yeah, can you type Sapna here? I typed, but it is yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, slow it is slow. Yeah, and this in this machine, so it is there in the C program file SDK. Okay, so this is the path which we need to provide here. Okay, so Java home is there. So here also she does not have the permission, so let it be, no problem. Okay, so that means it is fair enough here. And here we need to edit this variable, but she does not have a permission. I'm not sure. So for your case, it will be there, I think. So here also we need to do one kind of uh, thing. Yeah, let it be. So let's see that the command again. So once your setup is done and don't type the again in the same window. Okay, so don't type same editor or same command prompt Java version. Okay,
Nagesh,
so
sorry. Once we give the
yeah,
variable value, we need to click on OK, is it?
yes, click on OK, OK. So till all OKs, then that window will be closed.
Okay.
Apply OK, apply OK.
Okay.
Okay, great. Yeah. So then, and don't type in the same editor. Please relaunch the new editor. Okay, the same editor will not be reflected whatever we set up. Okay, we must open a new command prompt and type our Java version. Still, her machine has some problem.
I too
I
face the
thought,
same issue.
I think then what is the problem? I understood because of this version, Java version only. What we need to do for that? So just a second. Uh, Here the thing is done. Like automatically this Java sit in this folder, but we renamed it. Okay, so that is the issue. So what we need to do is just we need to revert it of this name as well. Let me hyphen hotspot.
If we rename also, its location is different. We
Yeah, we
relocate
can
this.
change it. Yeah, we can relocate. Yes, yes, that is also because she does not have edit permission. If you have edit permission, you can change it. No problem. It will work. But her system, Swapna system, does not have edit permission.
My thing is already showing a hyphen hotspot only.
Okay, you do you have like edit permission here?
No, it's disabled.
Okay, then you have to revert back. Yeah, hotspot. Hotspot. One second. Hotspot hotspot. Yeah. So then you can revert this one. You can again cut and go to the web logic paste it. Okay. So then after you can change the path. Let me go back till here. How many versions actually? Yeah, you see, now it's set. So what I was done, I just replace. Please go into mute. Whoever having unmute. Okay. So just we can revert back because the whoever does not have this edit permission of environment variable, right? So there by default while installation time it took the path. Path variable is program file open logic JDK hotspot bin. Okay. So but we change the location. That is the case. Again I reverted I open logic of the hotspot folder renamed it and place the path. So then after it will be uh, showing us the exact JDK version. So open JDK version 22.0.0. Okay, so fair enough. So this means your Java installation is completed. Okay, so next one is we need to install Maven. Okay, so you can, yeah, next installation is Maven. So please type this command and let me know. So whoever having this. So mvn hyphen v, please ping me what is the result when you are getting on it. So then we can tell so whether you have the Maven in your machine or not. Okay, I'm using Mac. Sorry, Sonali. I should check with version. Yeah, the same command in
So
MacBook also same command.
I checked this Maven -v and it says the Java home environment variable is not defined correctly. The
Hmm.
environment variable need to run this program.
Correct, correct. So for that MacBook, right, you can check that environment variable. So right now I explained, right? Same thing, it will be like that. Did you check that one? For Mac?
Uh, so
Okay.
what I need to check, Java version, I've checked, it said 1.8.
Java, yeah, Java 1.8 is there. And MVN. So
Uh,
MVN, right? So for MVN, you will not get it. So for that, you need to do some kind of step. So that I will explain. No problem. Okay.
Thank you.
So yeah. So yeah, Pravina not recognized. Shiva not recognized. Yeah, most of the members will see we can get this not recognized only. Yeah, Srikant has okay, and Srujana not recognized. Yeah. Okay. So whoever not recognized, so just we need to do some kind of steps again. Okay. So go to Google and just type in that Maven download. Okay. So Maven, what is a Maven at all? I will tell you, no problem. But today we need to install that one. Yeah. So Apache Maven. Yeah. So this is the download page. So you can download the second one zip file. Yeah. So I think for Mac, right? Mac a tar file, I think. Tar, JZ. For Windows, we can download. Okay, we can download a binary zip. Yeah, Sonali, for you, I think GZ, the first one. Okay,
Uh, bi
so
binary tar Z archive that
mm,
too.
yes,
Okay.
yeah, first one. I think for Mac, tars will be there, and for here Windows. Okay, so follow the step. If at all anything, I will take separately for Sonali. Yeah. So yes, and yeah, it is downloaded. So once you download it, right, you wherever you download, just unzip it. Go to download location. Go in folder. Okay. Yeah. Meanwhile, you can install IntelliJ. So in your system, you may not have IntelliJ. So let me type here. So this is the editor. Okay. IntelliJ. So she does not have. So we can install it. Okay. Just to Google IntelliJ. Okay, so you can download a community version, which means open source. It is a NetBrains once, so you can see your based on your operating system, you can download it. So Windows, don't download the trial version. So maybe the community version you can download it. So the later the below IntelliJ IDE Community Edition. So it does not require any like license. Yeah, it will take some time. That is the case. You can parallelly download it. Yeah, once the Maven is downloaded, right? Yeah. So wherever the Maven folder zip file is downloaded, you just extract here only. And where is the extract here? Oh, extractor for you. Okay, copy if it is available. Copy. Go to C drive. Paste. So I'm pasting that Maven unzip folder in the C drive. Okay.
Sorry, can you so after this downloaded folder, what we need to do next?
Yeah. So just you can extract that folder inside the. Actually, it is a zip file, right? Tar file or zip file. So
Yes.
inside we have a one folder. Just to copy the folder or extract it. So her machine does not have a unzip file. So I copied and paste into your C drive. Okay, in C location. C like C, not program location. So just a C drive in the root directory. C drive. Okay. So this is the one. And once you like click on right, you can see this kind of thing. So bin root config. So there is a no zip file. So zip
So,
file inside there is a Maven version folder is there. The folder is required.
sorry. So do I have C?
Yeah, if you whatever the drive is there, you can just place the place. So maybe Shalini, right? I think MacBook one maybe does not have a OneDrive only. So everybody have OneDrive, I think, simple drive. Okay. So once you done this one, right? You just copy this one again. Okay. So copy this kind of path. Okay. So where your Maven is there, Maven is extracted, and again you can edit that. Okay, environment variables. So open your environment variable, and here this time we need to provide m2 home. Okay, so you need to provide m2 underscore home. So it is a kind of Maven where my Maven is installing my machine. M2 home is a variable name. Maven is available in my machine, and variable value is where the path is existing in my current machine. So this is the one we need to place it and click on OK. Then after you can open a command prompt, okay, and check that MVN version. Still not recognized. So to do that, I think we required admin permission, definitely. Okay, so for this one, we require admin permission. We need to change this path variable, and the path variable must be include this one. So Apache Maven slash bin. So this is missing here. Due to that, the Maven command is not able to find. So Swapna, you can check with this. It should be enabled actually. It is your mission only, right? Or it has many users.
No, it is my machine only. It has just one user.
But it should enable actually. Or for your case, it is not there. Even though it is personal computer, this thing will be enabled. Okay, no problem. Let me.
Even Nagesh, for me also, it is not enable mode, edit one. It's my own device. Yeah,
Which version of Windows you are using?
12.
12. 12 has the right to edit, right? Okay. Let me check, no problem. So later we can check it. And so there is a one more installation. It is done, right? So that is IDE. So have you installed everyone? This one, IntelliJ. Just there is a exe file. You just click next. That's it. Okay. So even the left, keep aside this Maven version. I'll take personally connect with you and I will resolve, no problem. But next is we can jump onto the IDE installation, IntelliJ, because Java is installed, right? Fair enough for our required session. So let's move on to this installation of IntelliJ IDE. So we need to download a community version and click on the exe and click next. Yeah, don't select anything. It is a default one. So just click on next only.
Can I go ahead and install this JetBrains, whatever is showing up on the screen?
Yeah, you can. Yes, yeah. Go ahead, please. Because JetBrains also internally Java, so it will take care of our program execution. Okay, so we can install this IntelliJ.
Nagesh, once it is installed, it is showing data sharing. Send anonymous statistics or don't send like that. Nagesh, once it is installed, right? IntelliJ is installed. There is one
Okay.
pop-up, right? Okay, it is showing data sharing. Send anonymous statistics. Don't send.
Yeah, don't send. Just click don't send.
Hello, Nagesh. I have IntelliJ version 2022.3.2.
Okay. Yeah,
Still
Shalini, yeah.
okay?
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no need. It is fair enough. So I think everyone we have. Let me. Yes. Yeah, Swapna's machine is very slow. I think, yeah, since still it is installing. Okay, so you are there, right? Okay, so is not there. See, one more thing I want to tell you, like whenever like I provided, like I'm going to provide the recording, right? So if at all you have hope, like I will be sharing that recording, right? But you have to spend some time with me also because recording we have many recordings in the YouTube channels, right? So it is not like that. So please bear with like 2 hours, so you will get to more knowledge on that. Okay. So yeah, let me yes. So now we can everyone open your IntelliJ. So by typing here IntelliJ, where is that IntelliJ? Yes, IntelliJ IDE. So please open this software. Oh my God, yeah. Confirm later. Why Sapna? Your machine is behaving like a kind of new. There is a shortcut also it is created. can check in the desktop. Okay, so let me okay, one second, click on OK. Still it is not installed. No, it is not installed in your machine. So everyone is getting like IntelliJ, right? In your machine, once you type here, yeah, it is there. You see, there. One second. So this is the one. So this is our editor. So we are going to work this in as a programmer. Okay, so we need this one. So this is our programming editor. So every day we can see, we can write, we can play with this particular editor. Okay, so don't send the activity. So no need of statistics. Yes. So this is a screen. So when first time you launch, welcome to IntelliJ. Okay, the second time it will be not like that. Okay, so we can create a project. Okay, so we can clone the project. So let's start with the new project. So click on the new project symbol, and so we are taking a Maven project. Okay, so here you can see the kind of keyword generator section. We have a Maven artifact. Okay, so this window we call as a new project. Okay, so you can create a, you can provide a name of the project. Okay, by default location your workspace, your project will be in the location and the project name, and in your system the JDK is automatically recognized. So now let me explain again. So the continuation of that. Okay. So we need to select here. So the Maven project as a generator, and this is the window, a new project we are going to create. You can provide the name of the project here. Okay. In this section, it is untitled the first time. You can provide your proper untitled, and this is a workspace. Our default workspace. You can change it, but later you can change it. I'll tell you. Okay, and this is a JDK version, Java version, so which is automatically picked up from the your machine. So this has a capability, like IntelliJ has a capability in your machine where is the Java is existing. Okay, and so that's all here you need to select and click on create button. So then automatically the project will be created. Okay, so let me provide the name Selenium. Whatever. Yes. Okay. So let me take the control.
And Nagesh, sorry,
So,
in the JDK
yes.
field, right? I'm getting download Oracle Open JDK 23.0.1. It is showing.
So by default, it is not recognized for your. It is non-enabled field for you. Okay. So even though you can select your detected version. So don't do first one. You can select your detected JDK in your machine. Choose this
Oh,
one.
it is not showing it.
It is not showing it.
We need to select from program files.
Yeah, you can select from the program files if you have that browser option. So by adding the SDK, this one, right? So by the way, also you can select it. So where your Open JDK, yeah, Open Logic, this is the one. So you can also select by this way.
Okay.
So 99% it will be auto detected. Okay. So let me give the project name. So it is a Selenium Java integration project. Okay, Selenium Java. Just I'll type Selenium Java. Okay, and let's click on create button. Okay, so you can choose artifact ID, simple one. So maybe okay, this version is asking. So he can select this one, Maven artifact hyphen quick start. Okay, type quick start, it will be there. Yes. What happened again? Why the screen again? Yeah. So now the project is created. So very first time you can see the screen.
And
Sorry,
Nagesh, we need to.
Sorry, Nagesh. Can we change the location because I don't want to keep everything in C drive. This project again into a different one.
Yeah, you can change it. No problem. You can change. You can create a folder and you can change that the path where you want.
We can
Where
do
you
that
want. Okay.
later as well, right?
Yeah, later as well. Yes.
Nagesh,
Okay.
for the architect
Yes.
archetype, right? We need to click on add button.
I'm not
Yeah.
able to
So,
hear you. I don't know whether it is only problem with me or even others are facing the same problem.
Do we need to add it?
yeah, you can add it that in that right quick start. Okay, there is a type in that quick start. The Maven artifact name is quick start.
Then we need to add the. We need to click on the add button.
Yes. Just select. You can select. It will be selected. Then click on create.
No, it is asking for group ID, architect ID, version, and all.
Okay. Then do one thing. Can you share your screen?
You know, I'm
Let
using the
me.
phone. With the laptop, I'm separate using. Yeah.
Okay. So yes. So then. Yeah, you can see the drop down only. You can select the drop down. That's all. It's nothing to do that. Maybe phone it works. It will not work. Right? You have to.
No, laptop I'm installing, but
Pravina,
Zoom meeting I'm.
Pravina, no need to click on add button. In drop down
Okay.
there.
You just select it.
In drop down you can select it. That's it. Yeah, Swapna, you
Then
can share.
create. That's it, right? Create. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. I got it.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Swapna, can you share your screen?
Yeah, I will. Actually, I was not able to hear you for some reason. I don't know. It was only problem with me or not.
No. The problem is your machine actually. So it is utilizing your resource 100%. So maybe that is the case. You are not able to hear. So when you are installing, it is very slow, right? By saying that I can tell you. So that is the case. Nothing to worry about that. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the first project which we created by step, right? And so this is the file, a very important file, and the file name is form.xml. Okay, so this is a Maven project. Okay, this right side. So this is a project explorer, the project related our architecture, the folder structure which will be there, and so here we can open the respective file and it is called as editor. So here we can write the code. Okay, so before going to write the code, right? So this is the file form.xml file. Okay, so basically we have a open source. We are using all open source activities, right? Open source softwares. So this Maven project has a one XML file that is called POM. Okay, and it has a capability to add our third-party libraries. Okay, third-party libraries in the sense, so which are going to use our Selenium. Okay, so I want to integrate Selenium with Java. So already Java is right now Java plus Maven is done. Okay, Java Maven integration is done. Now we need to add a Selenium integration in this project. So then after we can add a cucumber as well. So then we can start our tutorial, something like. Okay. So to add a Selenium, so here this particular form.xml have a capability to add a third-party libraries. So where we need to add, how we need to add, let me check this one. Okay. So Swapna, can you give me control? So everybody on this page, right? Form.xml. I'm going to explain this form.xml. So this is a very important file. Okay. So let me highlight the sections, and yes. So it is a HTML XML file, right? XML has a starting node, ending node. Okay, every node has a starting node and slash ending with the slash ending node. So this project is a root directory and it is a XSD. So it is a predefined. So then after we have a group ID. Okay, your package r dot example. Okay, artifact ID is there, right? This is your project name. This is your project name. And the version is, it is the first version, and we are packing to a jar. Okay, so it is a jar file. Okay, so then after, so we have a important section we call as a dependencies. Okay, so this is the area we are going to add our third-party libraries. Okay, so what is the area? It is a dependency section. Okay, so this is a dependency root node and ending node. So in between, by default, JUnit dependency is added. So this particular ID by default JUnit 1 version is added. Similarly, we need to add our Selenium version. Okay, Selenium version. So let me get that down. Okay, let me get that one. So within that dependencies, right? Within the dependencies tag, we can have multiple dependencies. Okay, dependencies contain dependencies. Okay, let me get how we will get this kind of things. Okay, so there are two things here. Let me tell you first way, and right. And the first way, you can type in the Google Maven repo. Okay, Maven repository. In the Maven repository, it is a central repository. Whoever develop their repositories and they will upload here. Suppose Selenium is an open source tool. What are the open source tools? They will kind of the software uploads will be here. Okay, so Java, sorry, Selenium. So type Selenium. Okay, maybe the spell wrong. Sorry, Selenium. So you can type Selenium. Your machine is very slow. Let me type it once. Okay, sorry, you can type it. Yeah. Yes. Can you remove this? Yeah. So now you can see Selenium Java. Type better Selenium Java. So we have many flavors, right? You can type this one. So Selenium Java. So you can click on this first one. Okay. So yeah, you can see that Selenium Java. And so what is the Selenium? All those things, licensing, category. Okay. So don't bother about that. So just you can come to here. There is a versioning. Okay, so this is the latest version, and you can see the version is released on November 25th, 2024. Okay, so it is a central repository. From here, we can download it. Okay, so just click on this version of 4.227.0, and so once you into this particular section, so we have a Maven section here. So here, this is the notation we can add Maven dependency to our project. So what it is saying, it is a dependency and a group ID org selenium hq dot selenium and selenium Java. The version is 4.27.0. So just copy this particular section, right click and copy, right, and so place it here. Okay, so now you can see there is a one icon here. So better I will highlight it, and you can come to know. So here there is a one icon is there, that is Maven loader. Okay, so it is a Maven loader. We call it as Maven loader. So what does mean is, so whenever you add a one dependency into the dependency section, so the capability we need to load. Okay, this particular jar will be downloaded to and attached to or integrated to your project. So to do that, we need to load it, synchronize Maven changes. Okay, so now you can load it, and here you can below resolving the dependency. So which is downloading from that Maven central repository. Okay, so this is the normal way we can do. Okay, in real time. Okay, so any questions till now? So I'm going to explain the real time activity. So same similar kind of thing. So we cannot download from this Maven central repository. Okay, so why? Because so this is an open source Maven repository, and we have a different kind of versions. Okay, and these are open source place, right? This is an open source repository place. They may not done the security checks. Okay, the security attacks will be happen. So in our company level, so they will download this from here, and they will perform some kind of scannings, security check scannings, and they will create a own repository, company level repositories, and they will provide that location so where we can download it. That is that can be defined that team leads, they will help you on that. Okay, but I want to tell you in the real time activity, so we will not download from directly from here. If you are download also here, right, when you load this particular uh, Maven loaders, that time it will not connect to that particular central repository which is open source. That time the fail will, like, you will see the errors. Then you have to reach out to your, then you have to reach out to your um, then you have to reach out to your team lead. So then he can tell you that, okay, then he can tell you, so there is one central repository, so and he will provide you, he will get. But so that is a one of the important key point. So we will not directly download from the here in the company, the central repository. Okay. Yes. One second. Yeah, everyone done this one, right? So you will see the white colors. Then means it is installed properly. Check your things. Okay. Shall I move to the next one? Everyone on the same page, right? Please confirm. Typing
Yes.
message. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Can you confirm the by messaging? Okay. Pravina done. Okay. Shrikant is getting error. Sonal, yes. Shivani, okay. Dependency is not found in red color. So yeah, Shrikant, you are able to see this one, right? That loader here, which I mark in the red section. Okay, you are able to see that. Just reload it, and can you tell me that whether it is a personal system or a company system?
It's a personal system. Just I'm saying, where is the loader?
Here. So let me
Where?
share my screen. Let me highlight here in this editor. You're not able to see my draw,
Yeah,
red
I'm
color
able to
draw.
see. Uh,
Yeah, either do one thing. There is a M icon, right? M
yeah.
message.
Yeah.
Click it,
Okay.
and there is a lot of life cycles in install section.
Yeah, life cycle is there. Yes.
In that, go to that install.
Zara?
Hit
Install.
the
Okay.
install. It will be
Okay.
downloaded.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay.
Huh?
Yeah. So then you
There
can
you
able to. Yeah. Yeah. Please mute yourself. Somebody is talking. Okay. So
Yeah,
Pravina
now it's
done.
fine. Nagesh. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Very good. Thank you. Yeah. Srujana done. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. So let me. Okay, so let me go to the section called Project Explorer Directory. So please watch here so carefully. Okay, so let me explain the things. And so there is a root folder. We just extract it in the sense there is an arrow, right? We just click on this one. So in this section, you can see there are two kind of things. Okay, so in every project, okay, so there is a main and there is a test. Okay, any Java project, there is a source directory. SRC in the sense it is a source directory. Under source directory, we have a two sections. One is a main, one is a test section. Okay, so in the test section, we will write our test cases. Main section, we can write our supporting Java code. So that is the way it will be drive our test cases. Okay, so next one. So under the main and under the just I'm extracting and seeing that under the test also. So we have a kind of some templates, predefined template. So there is a test. Okay, we just it is a JUnit test, so it is not required for our case. So just to delete it. Okay, or for delete or just you can create a new one. So better we can create a new one. Don't delete. Okay, so now I'm going to create a one Java class. So let where I'm creating under the test section, under the test folder, we have a Java and org.example. Okay, so this is a by default package. Package in the sense folder structure. Okay, let me create a one more package here. Okay, so how do you create a package? On top of Java folder, you can right click and there is a uh, package section. Okay, Java class and there is a package section. So you can select the package folder and provide the .com example. Okay, or tutorial, whatever you can give any name. So under the root folder is com, under the example folder is created. Okay, so the package is created and again the which is created package name is com.example. On top of the com.example, you can create a Java class. Okay, you can create a Java class. Okay, so let me create a Java class. Click on this one and it will ask to create a name. Okay, so first Java class or test Java class, whatever. Java test. Let me test. Okay, Java test class. Okay, and we have a kind of some drop downs: class, interface, enums, annotation. So forget about that. We are creating a one class. So just select the class and you can see this one. Okay, clear till now? So create a package and inside the package you can create a one Java class. You can give any name, no problem. Okay, and under that Java class, just type main. Okay, main. Okay, so you will see this drop down and just enter it. Okay, by default there is a one method is generated, public static void main string arg. So I'll explain that next session. So what is that? Why we required? Okay, and also you can type SOUT. It is a print statement. We are going to write in the console print. To do that, we need to add a SOUT is a shortcut for printing a statement. So the actual statement is system.out.println. So within that double quotes, whatever the text you are going to write. Okay, welcome Java program. Welcome Java program. We are learning Java, right? Yeah. Okay. So you can write this two things. One is a main method and system out, and then right click and run. Okay, so here we have a Java run of your class name, Java test.main method. So now it is building and running it. Okay, here you can see the build, cleaning, parsing the Java, compiling, everything it is going, and you can see the console print. So you can see this section we call as a console print. Okay, after execution, your run activity will be stay here. Okay, so this is a system.out println. We have written in the welcome Java program. So that screen, the content is printed in the here. So we call as a console print. Okay. Yes. If at all anything missing, okay, if at all anything missing, it will say that error. As we know, it is a programming language, right? So any programming language, what we have some syntax errors, some rules, some regulations. If you avoid that, if you are not following the rules and regulation, it throw the error. So that is the kind of thing it is. Any programming language, not only Java, any programming language, there are some set of rules, declarations, some set of activities need to be followed, some set of predefined keywords also will be there. So that is the case. If you are violating anything that we are not following anything that we should get error, and the error would be like this. Okay, so you can read these errors. The screen also we used to see many times while developing our programs. Okay, so here you can see the line number is 6 and your class name is blue color line which is telling us, boss, in this location there is a Java file, Java test file dot Java sixth line is having some error. Identify that Java, okay, colon expected, this line is expecting ending with the colon, please fix it. Okay, so that is error. So the error will guide you to how to fix it. Okay, most of the Java predefined errors will be fixed by using the code console reader. Okay, clear about this till now? So Java successfully be done. IntelliJ Java integration is done. Now the Selenium integration. Okay.
Nagesh, can you show one more time where the error will be shown? Where the error will be
Yes.
shown?
Yeah. So let me remove this here and let me run an engine. So after running here, we have a console window in the below, and that will be in the blue color line here. Okay. So let me highlight it better. So this is a kind of way we need to read. So either you can go like this better. Okay, because this is a common location. So where we are there in the project level. Okay, you can go like this. Okay, so it is a sixth line and the Java class name. You can identify the Java class name. Okay, .java we know it, but the class name is Java test. Okay, we have many classes, so that time you have to identify your class. So okay, it is this one. So within this there is a sixth line. Okay, sixth colon 53 is a character length actually, but I forget about that. The colon, the first one is sixth one. So this is the sixth one, sixth line, and colon Java is expecting. Okay, the colon is expected. Okay, we are missing it. Intentionally we missed this colon. So that is the case it is telling us. Okay, so if I add this one, okay. Suppose if I change the location, suppose if I enter the seventh line. So now if I run this one, it will say change the line number 7. Let me run and see this. Now it will be in the 7th line because the line number has been changed, right? So that is the case. And also like we provided the valid one. So let me correct, incorrect it and run it again. So this time the line number is got changed to 7. So this can be like easy to fix. We need to analyze our what we have many, like in real time we have many Java classes. So that time don't bother about that. Where is the our Java class name and what is the line number? You need to identify and fix, do the fix proper one. Okay, yes. Okay, so now as of now, Java and IntelliJ editor integration is done. It is running in the sense it is perfectly done. Now the next one is Java plus IntelliJ and Selenium. Then we can start writing our scripts. Okay. So already in the pom.xml file, everyone can, like we have added, right? We have added 4.4.27.0. Now, see, let me add this Webdriver. Okay, what is a Webdriver? Everything I will explain, but as of now, just launch this one. Driver equal to new Chrome driver. So this is the statement which will launch your Chrome browser automatically. Okay, the Selenium developers, Selenium builders has been developed this statement which can take or which can open your Chrome browser window. Okay, so let me run this one. So before running, we can load one website, driver.get. Okay, so in the driver.get, and we can provide that string URL. Which URL we are going to practice? That URL. Let me tell you that URL we are going to perform some activities on Orange. HRM is the open source demo application, demo site. Okay, demo. Let me give the demo site. Yeah, type in Google Orange HRM demo site. Where is that URL? This is the one. Orange HRM demo site. Why like that? I'm not sure. Yeah, it is there. I think. Yeah, wait. Maybe you are. Yeah, this is the one. No. One second. Functions. Oh, it is a paid version. Let me give that link in chat better. One second. I'm going to provide you.
I found one site called open source dash demo dot orange.
Yes, that is the one. Yes. I'm not sure, like our system behaving some kind of wide. So this is the link here I am sharing. So Swapna, you can also open this link. Yeah, can you open this link? Yeah. So this is a site where we are going to automate. Okay. So now, so we can copy this link and we can provide it. Okay. So by the way, we can confirm our Selenium integration. So let me go to here. So these 2 lines of code, right? So what it does is, So this will open the Chrome browser and it will load this particular URL on the page. Okay, so let me run this one. Yes, so use this window security. So okay, so you can allow it. Yes, you see, we're able to open this site. Okay, so by earlier we used to do manual, so by automation. So the 2 lines of code which take like opening the Chrome browser and loaded the page. Right.
Nagesh, can you show the driver.get line? We can type on or
Yes. Yeah. So driver.get and within the double quotation you have to provide that URL.
Sorry, my HTTPS is coming red. It says I have to create something.
Your MacBook, right?
It is giving me error on this link for HTTPS.
Okay, so you have given this way, right? Within the double quotation you have provided, right? So can you check that
Oh,
again?
yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. So in the driver.get method, so within the double quotation, that particular URL will be yeah, you can provide this. So here the one small story actually. So kind of Selenium latest version. So what is the version we have? What is the version? So in the interview, the people will ask there, which version currently you are working on? So if you are not telling the version, you are not working on. You have to tell some version. You have to remember some version, please. So if I how we can filter in the Selenium 4 plus. If you don't remember, you have to tell that Selenium 4 or you remember 7 like 4.7.0. So this is the latest version and Selenium latest version. So the challenge they overcome, right? So earlier we used to give the Chromium exe driver. Okay, the supporting driver path should be there. Download and there is a big story there, but they change this one. This is the one kind of enhancement. Okay, but you don't bother about that. So like how the playwright is giving the browser interaction, so the Selenium also updated as like that. Okay, so usually if you search in Google this kind of code launching a browser, so then that time you will see this one. Okay, system set property, okay, set property, and there is a Chromium driver exe. Okay, and the particular driver exe should be path where the driver need to be downloaded. So we need to give the location of the file. So then after this particular exe, this particular browser will be launched. Okay. So in Google, if you type this 3 line of code will take care about that. But in new release, okay, Selenium 4.2 plus, okay, 4.26 or 27. Right now 27, right? I think it is 2.2. From there they updated. So they internally handling this one. Okay, so that is a change. Okay. So everyone on the same page, right? After running this one, you're able to open the Chrome browser with the screen, right? Please ping me.
I'm having error while running.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Sorry, I'm using mobile today. Next time I'll configure my.
Please avoid the connecting mobile. Even though if you connect the mobile, you can just connect laptop only. Yeah, as you know, right? How we are going to do.
So it says
Yes.
class file has wrong version. 55 should be 52. Please remove
Mm,
your it appears in the correct subdirectory of class path.
mm, okay, got it. So it is a Java version issue.
Nagesh,
You
I
are,
am getting issue like Java cannot find symbol class driver in the location
yeah.
class com.example.java test. It is showing on the
Yeah.
12th line. It is like Webdriver equal to new Chrome driver, right? In that line, it is showing
Mm.
error.
Yeah. Can you share your screen? Yeah, it is less
I
than
am
1 minute. Install that Cucumber Gherkin. Yeah. Please allow to scale. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I need to stop my screen. Yeah. So go to IntelliJ. Okay. So the last integration, and you can see here there is a menu option like vertical 4 dots, right? So can you give me control as well? Yeah. Here I want to tell you one thing. Yeah, just make this screen there, same place. Yeah. So here, so there are two sections. We used to navigate, we used to fix some issues. So the project level or eclipse level, that's sorry, IntelliJ level. So there is a one setting section and a project structure section. So what are the project structure? We have like some incorrect version. So I think uh, Shalini, I think 53, 58 kind of issue. So due to that, Java editor. Okay. So here, maybe the Java editor is not set properly. So that is the one fix for you. So check with that. Google it that particular error with that. There will be a solution. No problem. If not, you can reach out. No problem. So here there is a problem. So you are install some where version, your Selenium like Selenium 4.2.7, right? It is updated to like 22, 21, something like. So that is the problem. Okay. So those kind of issues we can resolve by project level, project structure. Okay. And coming to the another setting, it is a kind of IntelliJ level. Okay, IntelliJ level setting. There would be a kind of few more like editor appearance, and there is a plugin. So in the plugin section, so we need a kind of plugin called Cucumber. Cucumber Gherkin. Cucumber Java. Okay, so we have a Cucumber flavor many. So here you can see there is a Cucumber flavor for Java. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so you can click on install section. So then it will ask to like ID restart. So that is the one thing. And let me check one more thing here and type by using Gherkin. Gherkin. The second one is this one. Okay, so the Gherkin. So you need to install these two. Then it is fair enough for installing your Cucumber. So let me install here. Click on install Gherkin and also click on install Cucumber. Cucumber Java only. So you can install Cucumber Java. Then it is asking to restart your IDE. Okay, so just restart it. IntelliJ IDE plugin updates for installation. It is alert only. Okay, close this one. Now we can create a under the test. You can create a one directory, and the directory name is resource. Okay, to the resource directory, and the resource name also resource. You can put the name resource. Okay, so created a resource directory. Under the resource directory, I am going to create a one feature file. Login dot feature file. Okay, so please create under the test. Okay, so there is a resource directory. So, and within that resource directory, create a one file, and that normal file, the file name is, the extension should be dot feature. And you can see that the image will be like this. So this is the image, is a cucumber, representing cucumber. Okay, so what is a cucumber, what and all, so we are going to learn, so no problem. Okay, so this image, the yellow color of cucumber image, means you have installed successfully. Okay, so clear.